Greetings to everyone. We are Cohawk citizens, proud to present the project as ASCII with the problem statement ID as SH25231 with the problem statement title as Design and Build a Multimodal Retrieval Augmented Generation, that is RAG system, leveraging a large language model LLM for offline mode that can ingest, index and query diverse data formats such as doc, PDF, images and voice recordings within a unified semantic retrieval framework under the theme Smart Automation. In simple words, we have to create a system that can understand and search information from multiple types of files, just like documents, PDFs, images, and events, voice recordings, using AI and large language models. This means that even without the internet, our system should be able to ingest, index, and answer questions from these files in a unified and intelligent way. AskAI is an AI-powered intelligence system that works completely offline and without needing the internet. The core idea is to solve a common challenge, making sense of vast amounts of data, documents, images, and audio that are scattered across different places. Our one-line description nails it. AskAI is an offline AI-powered RAG system that unifies search and intelligence gathering across documents, images, and audio recordings. The main reason we design our system to work in offline mode is to ensure data privacy, security, and accessibility. Many organizations like NTRO and government agencies handle highly confidential data that cannot be uploaded to the internet. Using online AI models or cloud-based system will risk data leaks or unauthorized access. So our system works completely offline, meaning all the processing like document reading, image analysis, and voice transcription happens locally on the user system. This way, the data never leaves the organization's network and users can still perform AI-powered, secure, and reliable even in areas with limited or no internet access. It allows us to package the application as a standalone, true offline desktop application. The backend is built using Python with Fast API. Orchestration is handled by LangChain. Diagram shows our RAG retrieval augmented generation pipeline in action. A user query comes in, we find the relevant chunks of data from our secure offline database. We assemble a prompt with this context. The offline LLM processes it. Finally, it gives us the answer with citations. So the next is feasibility and viability. Our goal is simple: to build a single secure offline platform that lets users search across documents, images, and audio all at once. The main technical challenge is achieving high search accuracy using local offline AI models and efficiently handling all those different data types in one system. Our strategy is to first build a robust text search pipeline, then expand it to full multimodal search. So the benefits and impacts are: employees experience as analyst, it will find information instantly, drastically boosting their productivity. Organizational efficiency, as it streamlines knowledge and report generation, making the organization smarter and faster. Secure benefit, as operating completely offline guarantees maximum data protection and national security. With technological benefit, AskAI pushes innovation in secure, powerful offline AI systems. So the last is research and references. Our solution is not just an idea, it's built on solid current research. So that was a brief overview of our concept and design. Now let's move on to our actual working of our project. So this is a native desktop app that you can download and run directly on Windows, Mac, or Linux. Our first step toward running the app fully on our local system. You can connect on online LLM API key if your system isn't very powerful, but that may risk exposing confidential data. In Studio, you can use the model completely offline, safely and locally. So the interface is designed to be clean and user-friendly. You can easily start a new chat or delete an existing one with just a click. By clicking on the icon, you can upload supported files like PDF, docs, CSV, text, or Markdown, all ready for analysis. The app uses local embeddings and a vector database to process and store your data efficiently. Once your sources are uploaded successfully, you'll receive a quick confirmation message on the screen. Now let's ask AI to analyze a table from our PDF. While the AI processes the quick goal, let's look at our source document. Here we can see a polar bear image, a data table beside it, and a few related questions below. Here's the response, complete with an embedded image and a detailed graph. The AI not only analyzed the table data, but also provided clear headings, visual insights, and answer to the related questions. It even summarized the key highlights at the end for quick understanding. Next, let's ask AskAI another question from a different source. In this one, the answer lies deeper in the PDF. which includes an image listing advantages and disadvantages. Just below our questions context, there's a similar code block with a matching diagram showing how accurately ASCII identifies and connects related visuals. While the AI generates its response, let's explore our uploaded sources. ASCII includes powerful OCR functionality. It can extract text even from images, scanned books, or magazines. Now we have got the response. It includes the procedure, advantages, disadvantages, and demonstrates precise image retrieval. The summary neatly highlights all key points, making the results easy to review and understand. Thank you.